Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. On the bench today, we're going to do a comparison review between the KPS DCM8000BT True RMS 1000 volt 600 amp clamp meter. And to the right is the HIOKI 1000 amp 600 volt True RMS clamp meter. Both of these meters are very nice meters. The only difference between the two that I've seen so far, besides a few other things, the KPS measures up to 600 amps, and the HIOKI measures 1,000 amps. But as far as the features, both of them, have I'm not gonna say pros and cons about them, but some of them are missing some features that the others may possess, and vice versa. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna start off first comparing them. I've done a review on both of these meters individually, so if I was to miss a certain little test, you can go back and review the individual review I did on each of these meters. This won't be a very long video, but I'm gonna let it go as long as I have to get to do all the tests that I want to do and do the comparisons. So right now, since I got them hanging up, I have the backlights off for a reason, because I wanted you guys to see them as I turn them on, so they'll be on. So let's just see how the backlights look, okay? Okay. Oh, should I have it off? Okay. There we go. Now, which one? Both of them are nice and bright, but I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit. Both of them are nice and bright. This one is a white backlight, but it has a bluish look compared to this white back LED over here. The font here is a little bit bolder than the font here on the HIOKI. As far as information around the display, they have about, let me see, I have a battery here. This have the auto power off feature. I see this one don't stay on as long as the other one, as the KPS does. But I'm thinking this one's there may be a setting in this one to turn it off a little bit less than quicker. But anyway, this have an automatic power off. This tell you what selection that you have. Like right now, it's showing AC voltage. This one has the same thing, auto power off, battery symbol. You can see that at the top corner, battery symbol, auto, has range auto, and then millivolts. All right, so see, so it's about what and what, And as far as the screen is concerned, this one, the HIOKI, has a little wider screen, than just a hair a bit wider, but it is wider than this one. And but I can still see this one and everything that's inside that is supposed to display clearly, same as this one. So I want to get that out of the way. So we'll get back to that, guys. Let's go and let me go and do some reading. Tell you some more features about them both as I'm reading. All right, so the specs. I also have in the back, if you can see, I have these two cell phones back here. It's two older cell phones, and because they both have a Bluetooth. The one, the KPS calls their Bluetooth KPS Link, and HIOKI calls theirs, I think, G Connect, something like that, G Connect. But anyway, and we're gonna see how they both work. But that'll be then. Give me a few minutes and I'll get that started. But I want to just let you guys look at the features, look at the diodes first, and you kind of compare them between the two. So let me see, can I zoom you guys in just a hair so you can see. All right, let me back up a little bit. Okay, that's about right. Let me do this one more time for you as I be reading. So, okay, I'm reading the KPS. Say they have a DC voltage up to 600 volts. No, that's DC millivolts. 600. DC voltage up to 1,000. AC voltage up to 1,000. I'm talking about this one. DC current 600 amps. AC current 600 amps. And this also takes a flex probe, like the Fluke have that little iFlex. This you can KPS have one for this one, and with that attached, you can measure up to 3,000 amps. See frequency for its hertz, that'll be 10 kilohertz. Resistance 600 kilo ohms, and what is it? Continuity, yes, has that. Capacitance, and that's 1,000 microfarads for that one. Now, the HIOKI has, okay, DC current range 1,000. AC current range, we're talking about this one now. AC current range 1,000. Crest factor 1,000 amp range. DC plus AC current range, that's 1,000. Let me see, just say DC power range, okay, no, it's wrong. DC voltage range, 600 millivolts to 1,000 volts. AC voltage range, 6,000 volts to 6 volts to 1,000 volts. Okay, and AC/DC voltage range 6 to 1,000 volts. Okay, and resistance range is 600 ohms to 6,000 mega ohms. And that's about it. So as you see what's around the diode here, I already called them out, but here we go, guys. Here we go. You kind of look at them both. They do. Let me see. The only thing missing, this one don't have a low Z, and I like having a low Z to look for the ghost voltages. So, but anyway, don't have it. That's okay. They have auto amps, auto votes, meaning that if you put it on there, it would decide for it. If it's press this button here, and it would decide for you whatever you're testing, and that's a good feature. Here, I don't think this one have that, but that's okay. Unless you need it and they don't have it, you can always select to what you want to put it on. But this one have min-max. It has this high filter resistor or something like that on here, and that's to filter out frequencies, filter on this meter. And let me see, they have a backlight, work light. They have voltage detection on here. Min-max. Just have min-max on this one, I believe. This one have min-max and peak. It also has on a HIOKI, they have I think it's got a waveform, but I think you're going to see that with when you connect it with the Bluetooth. I believe that's the only time. They have a range. So they both are really nice meters, and it takes I think it's AA batteries to power this one up, and it takes 2 AA batteries to power this one up. So they both are really nice meters. I have no complaints about any of them. The price range is about, I want to say about the same, I believe. Last time I checked, I think this was like 380, 386. I remember seeing something. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I remember checking on this one just yesterday. It went up to like 386. This one, you could purchase this one, the HIOKI, like about $400, $500, I believe. Maybe a little less than that. Depends on where you get it from. They both are very nice meters. So let's just get into some of the demonstrations with them guys, and we'll see just how well they do. Let me move this over some. So just so I can get it out of the way. And remember, guys, whatever I've missed on here, you guys can do it. Go check the individual videos that I've done on each of these, and what I did a little bit more thorough. Did a review of them. So okay. There. All right. So I'm going to, since I have this here already hooked up already, this is for my 30 volt DC regulated power supply. Let's do this one. Remember, it's 30 volts DC, so and I'll connect these, let me back these up some, because you should be able to read it on here. And we'll just see which one gives the most information out of the two, okay? All right. Let me, all right. We're going to do DC, make sure I got it on the right setting on here. DC. All right, so all right, that one is connected. This one is connected. So make sure I got it right. So I know this one is, let me turn it on so it'll stay on. That one. Anyway, I have that on 3.9 as you see. But let me just connect this one. Now it's not the, make sure I got this right. I think I have this Instrument. That. Let me make sure I have it, the Bluetooth turned on, guys. Because for some reason it's not connecting. Yep, the Bluetooth is on. I'm just looking to make sure I have the Bluetooth on because for some reason it's not connecting. Oh, I think I did it too quick. I was supposed to, but this one they want you to turn it on first, and then until it tells you to turn it on. Okay, so leave that off. All right. And again, it's just, this is me. It's not the. All right. So it should come on now. I don't know why it's not connecting. I don't know why it's not connecting. It did earlier. I don't know why, guys. I don't know why it's not connecting. So I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. Get on there. Saying log. I do not know why it says scanning for it. So I don't know why it's not connecting. So let me try it again. It was working fine. Maybe it's me, but and I have it on automatic connect. So all right, so it's off. KPS link. Say turn on the instrument. Okay. It's on. Press the Bluetooth link. All right. It's on. Scanning for it. Guys, I don't know if it's because I'm using this one that It's not working, but it was working fine earlier. Now it won't do anything. Let me turn this one off. Let me turn this one off and see. And if that's causing it to not to work properly, well, I think we have a problem then. So let me try another one. I might even try this one. This one's supposed to scan for your. This is another part of the app. It's supposed to scan for this instrument right here. Well, I was giving it the benefit of the doubt, saying that it could be me, but I'm doing everything that it's telling me to do, and it's not working. Now, this is just a small part of the meter, guys. Now, if you was really you were in a position where you needed to use this, well, then you'll be up the creek. But as far as the meter measuring properly, that's something totally different. So I'm not gonna give it a bad rap because the meter do work properly as far as that's concerned. All right, so let's get back to try the link. It's still scanning. You see it saying log. I don't know. Well, that failed. Instrument. It's not working. It's not working. So let me just try this one because I believe I have it on here. That shouldn't be a problem either. No, I don't have it on this one, but let me just download and see. Okay. It's one. I know I think they have more than one. I want to make sure I get the right one. All right, so So it's telling me I'm gonna see if this is the one that wouldn't work with this one. Guys, don't mean to bore you, but I just want to give you, I want to see, I want to turn this one off, and I want to try, because it may be the phone. So let me try that one, and turn it back on. Okay, let me just see where we had it here. DC. Let's do okay. General measurements, that should be it. Just want to eliminate the phone. Saying 19 volts. 19.7, yep. So it's working fine. That's not the phone. So it gotta be it's not the one. So guys, it don't want to work. So I don't want to spend all the time just wasting my time on that. So anyway, let's get to the measurements. You see the HIOKI works just fine. Let me just turn the backlight on for you guys. Let you see. And we'll put this on DC voltage, and we'll just see how well this keeps up with that. Okay, let me just turn this off so I can connect other stuff. Okay. Okay, here we go. All right, they both giving you a reading of 24 volts DC and 23. Moving around a little bit, and I'm gonna just leave this here. Turn it up, maybe that'll change. This is the HIOKI Bluetooth. So I'm just go lower, see how low it'll take you. Saying 1.6, 1.5, 1.4. Okay, they both are spot on. 4.8. 7.6. 11.7. They're doing good. 18.2. 27.3. That's the high as it go. 29.8. So this overshot by one, the KPS, and this is under by 8. Oh, no. Both of them are the same. So okay, both of them overshot by one. That's still good. I think that's really good. All right, so let's try something else here. I'm gonna try my variac on them both, and we'll see just how well this one adds up. I mean, how well it does with that. All right. All right. Okay. And we'll try the variac. My variac rope goes up to like 48 volts or something like that. So we'll just see how that goes. Just move them both over. You guys can get a good look at as it reading it out. Okay. So when that light goes off, you can still keep up with the voltages with these two. All right. Here we go. I'm just randomly turning. It should be almost 20 volts right there. 21. 39. That's spot on. 52.8. Both of them 52.8. 701. 70. Both doing good. 91.2. 114. It should be I'm gonna top it off. It should be 148, I think. Yeah, 147. There you go. Both of them are good. Both of them did good. So, guys, aside from this one, it could be the phone. So, you know, let me try this tablet, because I also have it connected to this tablet here. So let me just give it the benefit of the doubt that it's working, that it would work. I just don't like the fact that it didn't connect. You know what I'm saying? So let me set it up. It's KPS link right there. Turn it on. You guys can see that. Okay. So now you want me to turn it on and press the link button. Okay. Press the link button. There we go. It's working. I must have done something wrong with it. It's working now. So let me try this phone again. Let me turn this one off. I think I did something wrong. I did something wrong. Let me try it. This is this one. So now it's working. I don't know what happened. I think it probably was me. So let me turn it back off. Disconnect it. And get back into it. All right, so I turned it on, and I'm going to do what it says do. Okay, that'll be voltage. There we go. I'm thinking. Nope, didn't do anything. I can't get it to connect with this phone, but it does work. And after connected to this tablet here, it seemed to have worked. So I don't know what's going on with that, guys. I really don't know what's going on with that, but the meter itself is a really nice meter. Now the question is this: if I needed it to work right now, like I do now, and I'm in a position whereas I needed it to work. Let me try this again. Now watch, it jumped up on there. So let's see if we're gonna jump up on here. No. Maybe it's the phone, because it's working on here. So I'm not going to even say what I was about to say. I do think that they both are good. It's the phone. I don't think it's the meter, because it seems to be working fine on there. Anyway, guys, they both are nice meters. Let you decide which one. I would take any one of them into battle if I need it. The thing is now, which one would you pick out of them both? They both have most of the same features, as you see. And like I say, you want to get a more thorough review. You can check both of these meters out. I've done a review on each individual meter. If that's what you want to go do, go check them. Look at my channel and search the video out. And I've done a nice video on both of them. So with that being said, guys, there's not really anything else left to talk about it, except they both are nice meters, and this one held up against that one, and so I have no complaints about it. I would take either or into battle. So guys, if you like the video, hit the subscribe, hit the like button, leave the location in the comments where you're watching from, and just send a shout out. And so thank you, fellas, and there'll be more videos coming. Thumbs up to both meters. I'm out.